My name is Malinda.
And my name is Drew.
And we are using the scientific method to test whether or not caffeine increases an individual's energy level. So the first step of the scientific method is to get a problem. And our problem is that we are so tired all the time and we're falling asleep in class and it's affecting our grades. So there's our problem. The second step is to observe and research. And we observe that many adults drink coffee in the morning and they say it wakes them up or increases their energy. And according to a study conducted by the International Life Sciences Institute, caffeine elicited a 3.6% increase in time performance. So according to research studies, caffeine does increase your performance. The third step in the scientific method is to propose a hypothesis. And our hypothesis is that if person A consumes 2 to 7 milligrams of caffeine per day, they will find that their energy level will increase. So now we're going to go ahead and test it out.
Experiment day 1.
Hey man.
Hey.
How's it going?
Pretty tired. Never mind.
I hate you so much.
Experiment day 2.
Okay class, today we are going to go over the nebula theory.
How's it going?
I overslept.
Oh.
I'm late.
Are you that tired?
I can't even function right now, man. It's only day 2.
I'm only alive because of this coffee. Day 3. I am currently having my coffee and I'm having more energy than I've ever had. Malinda? Are you okay?
What? I passed out.
Why were you asleep?
I haven't had coffee in 3 days.
Did you even make it to class?
I thought it was Saturday. Oh god.
No, today's Friday. You need to make it to our class.
Oh god, no, fam.
We gotta go. Just kidding.
Based on our experiment, we found that caffeine does increase your energy level. And after collecting and analyzing the data, we conclude that if you drink caffeine, your energy level and your performance will increase. And we are completing step 7 of the scientific method by communicating our results and making this video.
This video has been sponsored by GCBC, giving me energy to get through the day.
And for making me miss my class.
Because she did not get any.
Apparently it was on a Saturday in my brain. In conducting this experiment, we were given the option of using deductive or inductive reasoning, and we went with deductive reasoning. We went with the general idea that a lot of people drank caffeine because it increased their energy level. And then we went down to specific ideas, which was drinking anywhere from 2 to 7 milligrams of caffeine will increase your energy level. So we used deductive reasoning for this experiment. So the point of the scientific method is to be able to formulate a hypothesis, which is a proposition to explain a phenomenon occurring, which can turn into a theory, which is a view that the scientific community shares about a phenomenon and they generally agree upon. And then finally that theory can be turned into a law, which is a description of a repeatedly observed phenomenon. So it always occurs in this manner and has been tested by repeated experiments. A real-life example of a hypothesis could be the one that we proposed, which says that if person A drinks 2 to 7 milligrams of caffeine per day, then their performance level will increase. This hypothesis can be further recognized as a theory because the scientific community agrees with this and recognizes that this hypothesis is legitimate. And finally, this theory can be confirmed as a law because it has been tested by several scientific experiments, not just the one I suggested. And it has been confirmed or ingesting 2 to 7 milligrams of caffeine does boost your energy level. Just to sum everything up, the point of this video was to use the scientific method to solve our problem. Step 1 of the scientific method is to find a problem. Step 2 is to observe and research. Step 3 is to formulate a hypothesis. Once you have a hypothesis, you can go ahead and conduct your experiment. Your experiment should at least have an independent variable, a dependent variable, and a controlled variable. Once you finish your experiment, you can collect and analyze the data you retrieved, and then you can come to a conclusion. After you come to a conclusion, you should go ahead and go through with step 7 of the scientific method, which is to communicate your results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.